Hey everyone, as a lifestyle realtor, it's my goal to keep you informed not only on real estate, buying and selling houses of course, but also what's going on around in the community. Of course, Orange County is where we live and work and play. Now first, real estate. Now listen, things are good in the real estate market here. Now compared to last year, May versus 2019 versus May 2020, pendant sales are actually down about 25%. But from April 1st to 28th to May 1st to 28th, pendant sales are actually up 68%. So this is good news for us. Listen, people are always going to want to buy and sell. So what I always encourage you to pay attention to, in addition to what's really right for you, is the interest rates. Now 3% or 3.25% interest rates are phenomenal. This is what's causing a lot of buyers to buy and sellers to be on their way. So just think about that as well. But what also is important is the world is finally opening up a little bit again, thank God. Now today I'm at Irvine Spectrum Center. And what's really cool is if you come here and you shop, a lot of the stores are opening up. They usually have one door in and one door out to help with social distancing. Of course, we're wearing our masks. I'm not wearing it right now so you can hear me. But the other thing that's cool is as you walk around the center, it says if it's leaning, it's been cleaned. If it's leaned, it's been cleaned. In other words, you'll see tables where if the chairs are leaned in, that means they've already cleaned those chairs and you can feel safe and sit down. So there's a lot of people here at Irvine Spectrum Center, just enough to have fun. Of course, practice your social distancing, wear your mask, but you know, the sun is out and I encourage you to come out and just get some human connection. So if you have any questions on real estate, of course, give me a call, Jules Wilson. I'm with Seven Gables Real Estate and my number is 949-478-0139. I look forward to serving you.